National Fried Chicken Day is a mouthwatering celebration of one of America's most beloved comfort foods. Observed annually on July 6, this delightful holiday pays homage to the crispy, golden, and succulent fried chicken that has won the hearts and taste buds of people across the country. On this special day, food enthusiasts and chicken lovers unite to indulge in the irresistible flavors and textures of this iconic dish. Whether it's the traditional Southern-style recipe, spicy buffalo wings, or Korean fried chicken, there are endless variations to satisfy every palate. From family picnics to backyard barbecues, National Fried Chicken Day brings people together to enjoy a finger-licking experience that leaves them craving for more. Restaurants, food chains, and home cooks alike embrace the occasion by showcasing the unique twists on this classic dish. The crispy skin, tender meat, and delectable seasonings make fried chicken a comfort food staple that resonates with people from all walks of life. This annual celebration encourages food enthusiasts to explore different regional and international variations of fried chicken, from Cajun-style to Japanese karaage. Whether you prefer it spicy, extra crispy, or drenched in tangy sauce, National Fried Chicken Day is the perfect opportunity to indulge in this mouth-watering delicacy and appreciate the culinary artistry behind this beloved comfort food. So gather your friends and family, grab a bucket of fried chicken, and savor the flavors that make this day a true delight for chicken enthusiasts everywhere.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us.